I grubbed. It's gone. Hey guys, it's Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to vlog. Vlogging's like my new thing. I love vlogging. I mean, I used to do it when we like first did quarantine and I was like really into it, and then I kind of like lost what I was trying to put in my channel. Even just things that I would do throughout my day, I feel like it wasn't worth vlogging. But I'm back and I'm better and I've been posting very consistently and I'm super excited. So today we are going to go to the grocery store and get some food for the week. I have 3 recipes that I want to make next week, so I'm gonna get the stuff for that and then we'll see what else. But yeah, I'm wearing my new headbands. These are already available, so you guys could shop these now. Yeah, this one's super cute. It's like a light beige with polka dot. This is like a Dalmatian print, I believe. I like looked up this print. I was like, what print is this? And it's like Dalmatian print, I guess. So it's like one of my favorite prints and it's so freaking cute. My sisters are getting ready. They're taking forever. I just got done. Let me show you guys the fit. Let me see if I can show you guys the fit. Alright, so my sweater is from Old Navy. This cardigan is from Target, I think. Jeans are from Fashion Nova. And then I have my Air Forces, my white Air Forces. I think they're about to leave me. Yeah, they're about to leave me. Oh, and my purse is Kate Spade. Could you see? Kate Spade purse. Alright, I'm not going to bring you guys into the store because it's crazy. Because COVID, you know. So I haven't worked on earrings in a little bit because I was working on the headbands and the scrunchies. So now I need to make some earrings. And also I need to label some lip glosses and everything. So yeah, let's make some earrings. Alright, so it's a little chaotic over here. We got the kids over. What? What'd you say my name?
Already. I thought you said Mom, really? You didn't get my text?
No.
Yeah, I did.
Let me.
Everybody's playing a game. What time is it? I think I'm gonna marinate our steak. I'm gonna make steak quesadillas.
The marinate's outside. You have to marinate the steak.
Alright, so I just made some earrings, some clay earrings, and I put them in the oven. I put them in the oven. Now we are going to marinate our steaks. I'm gonna make, what is it, steak quesadillas, and I'm gonna do like guacamole, pico de gallo, and like sour cream, you know. It's about to be some good. That's what was left. That was what was left. Kayla's about to try the cinnamon roll cheesecake. That video will be out before this one. But yeah, it came out really good. Let's see. Let's see the pregnant girl.
No.
Wake him up. Wake him up. No, if he wakes us up, then we win.
Stop.
She said, it's good. Okay. Mama is back at it again, eating some hot chips. Are they good, Mai?
You
made me mess up. They good, Mai?
It won't.
Yep.
Maybe it's stretch mark because it's tough. Maybe it won't, like I'm trying.
Okay. Whew, too many people up in the kitchen. And it's hot and moist up in here. Yeah, it's not no moist.
It's moist.
It's not. Alright, so I started the steak for our steak quesadillas. I'm super excited for the steak quesadillas because that sounds really good.
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat some?
No.
Ashley's making her some fries. That's all she's gonna eat.
Yep.
She don't even eat nothing. Ashley, don't put those there.
Look at the way it folds in.
I know, they are folding in, but I'll show you guys what they look like when they're done. We already made the guac and we made the pico de gallo. And then I think that's it. And then I'm gonna have to make the steaks and then I'm gonna cut it. I like like to cook the steaks when they're whole and cut them when they're completely cooled and ready to like eat. Just because I feel like when you cook it when it's cut already, they become like dry to me. So I like to cook it whole, cut it, and then I'm gonna make the quesadilla. I'm gonna put onion and bell pepper and then provolone cheese and then steak, obviously. But yeah, I'm super excited. OMG. How's the quesadillas, everyone?
I've had better.
Jay.
Don't put that in.
Jay is so stupid. She's like,
Don't put it in.
no.
But you did it.
Look how good this looks. We got our guacamole, our pico, and sour cream.
My gut aftermath.
Ooh, look at that steak. This was a success dinner. I don't think we've ever had quesadillas for dinner like this. Oh my god, oh my god. How did I get lipstick on my chin? Oh my god, I gotta go clean myself. Alright, I had to take off my lipstick because I was a mess after I ate my quesadillas. Yeah, but anyways, those steak quesadillas were amazing. 10/10 would recommend. Yeah, it tasted good with like the pico and the guacamole and the sour cream. You gotta add that step because it just adds like something else to it. But I will definitely be making those again. Jade approved, my mom approved, Braylon approved. Oh yeah, I had to clean up my lipstick because I literally had lipstick all on my chin. That's one thing I hate about wearing like colored lipstick, like pigmented lipstick. That always happens, especially with the mask now. Like I was at the store and I had that lipstick on. When I took off my mask, I did have it like on my chin. It was like a little bit like over my lip and it was just like a big mess. Also, I want to show you guys, I made some earrings, so I baked them. I didn't sand them or like finish them yet, obviously, but let me show you. I need to turn on my light. All right. So I made lots of different styles of earrings. I'm really into like the stud earrings as well, so I'm gonna make more stud packs, and then I do have some like cool shapes. Like this one's pretty cool. This one's a new one. Let me see, why isn't it focusing? There we go. Obviously I still have to sand them and finish them and all that, but they look so good. I love the, what's it called? The striped ones. Is it focusing? There we go. Super cute. Super excited to see what those look like. But when I make earrings, like sometimes like half of them I don't even create earrings out of them. Like literally I tried like the flower with translucent and I don't like them, so I don't think I'm gonna make those. I don't want to waste my time and make them if I don't really like them. Here comes Braylon. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh my god, I got a big pimple right here. Alright, since I have this pimple right here, I decided I'm going to do, Jade had this face mask, so I'm going to try. It's a soothing mud mask, I believe. Exfoliating bubble mask, so that should be fun. I'm going to shower, I'm gonna deep condition my hair, and I need to wash my face. I think I'm gonna show you guys when I like wash my face and then do the face mask. But yeah, I'm just gonna do like a self-care night. I'm going to get unready. Braylon, stop it. I'm going to get unready and yeah, show you guys the process of what I do. And then this isn't something I do every night, obviously. I haven't done a face mask in so long, so this should be nice. It should be nice for my skin, and hopefully I feel like more refreshed and ready for bed. Maya, what are you doing?
You forgot your phone.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so I was just informed this is not a bubble mask. Is it even the cucumber one?
Yeah, it's a cucumber one.
Oh, so it is this one. It's not the one. The one on the bottom says bubble mask, but she said that she cleaned out the whatever was in here and put in this one. She said it's really good, so we'll see if it could clear up my pimple right here. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I obviously just got out the shower. I have all my makeup ran down my face. So the first thing I'm gonna do, oh, I also have a hair mask in. I use the Miss Jessie's Rapid Recovery Treatment. And this one's alright, but I wanted to use the rest of it. I'm gonna throw it away because it is done. But the first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair up and get my hair out of my face. Let me put this straight. And get my hair out of my face, and we are going to wash it and do a face mask. Alright, so I do have my hair up and out of my face, so I am going to be a little careful like rubbing around my eyes just because I do still have my contacts in for the sake of this video. Normally I would take them out and have my glasses in, but for me to like see if it's recording or like what shot I'm doing, I need like my contacts to see. So yeah. Oh, also I'm gonna be using this brush. I have no idea where it's from. I got it for Christmas. It has the brush side and it has like this silicone, you guys just see the silicone side. And yeah, I'm gonna use this to wash my face today, and it works pretty good. Now that I have my face nice and clean, I'm going to be doing my face mask. So I have this little brush and I'm just gonna place it on my face. Alright, so I have my face mask on. I'm gonna leave it on for about like 10 to 20 minutes whenever it dries. I'm not sure how long it takes to dry. It's been that long since I've had a face mask, but this is what I'm looking like. It's been about like 10 minutes and it's completely dry. I try not to talk when I have it on because if you talk, it'll crack it, and you don't want that. Like, you want it to be like, you want your skin to be like, I'm just kidding, but for all, like, don't talk when you have your face mask on because it works better when you just relax. Okay, so I'm going to rinse it off. I know I look ridiculous, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Skincare. Skincare comes first. So that's basically all I'm gonna do. I put my little moisturizer on. I haven't been using it for very long, so I don't really have like a real review on it. I just know it feels really nice on my skin, and yeah, I like it so far. But anyways, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.